Have you ever wondered what your English level is? Are you planning to study or work in an English-speaking country and need to know your proficiency level? Well, we have good news for you. With this test, you can assess your English skills quickly and accurately from the comfort of your own home. This test consists of 20 multiple-choice questions and will assess your proficiency in the English language. Once you've completed the test, you'll receive a detailed report that shows your proficiency level and provides personalized feedback on areas that need improvement. So why wait? Test your English level today and take the first step towards mastering the English language. Are you ready? Let's get started. Congratulations! That was the last question. As I said at the beginning of the video, depending on the number of right answers you got, your English ability can be described. A1 and A2, beginner. B1 and B2, intermediate. C1 and C2, advanced. With that in mind, if you got anything from 0 to 7 answers right, your level is probably A1. 8 to 13 answers right, A2. 14 to 17 answers right, B1. 18 to 19 answers right, B2. And if you got 20 answers right, your level is probably C1 and C2. Congratulations on completing the English language exam simulation test. We hope that you found it helpful in assessing your English language proficiency. Keep practicing and improving your skills. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section.